Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Whatever time y'all are tuning in, I certainly appreciate y'all are here. Today's video, guys, we're going to be going back up to Catala, Georgia, to the antique store, my favorite little antique store in Georgia. But first, we're going to stop off at Cracker Barrel and eat with a $50 gift card that Mark sent in from Hilliard, Ohio. Just want to thank you, Mark. I got my wife with me. We're going to enjoy a great little meal. Thanks to you, buddy. I just want to appreciate you so much for sending this. But we're going to go back up to Catala, guys. There's an antique little timepiece with a compass on it, made in the early 1900s, made in Providence, Rhode Island. We're going to go pick that up and see if she's got any new knives. So just want to thank y'all for tuning in today, and I hope you enjoy the video. Guys, here we are. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Love the Cracker Barrel. I like about the Cracker Barrel, guys, they always have a great veterans section. Love that right there. Hoorah. Good looking shirt too. Good looking shirt.
Long, party of two. Long, party of two, your tail was not ready.
Air Force, Navy,
Party of two.
Army, Marines.
Party
Hoorah.
of two, your tail was not ready.
Love that shirt too, all the hoodie right there. Good looking hat. Here we are, guys. Our food just came. I got the old timer special for Shrade. Biscuits and gravy, pancake, and what did you get, Mimi?
It's a hash brown casserole breakfast.
It looks good. Thank you again, Mark. Appreciate it, buddy. Okay, guys, it's time to restock at Harbor Freight. We're gonna go in here and buy my fiber wheel, paper towels, and gloves, and other stuff that we might see that we might need, like the wire brushes. How you doing, buddy?
Doing all right.
Yes, sir. Okay, guys, here's the fiber wheel that I use. I end up throwing that stone away, but that's the fiber wheel I use. I'm fixing to get two of them because one is none and two is one. And really, three is better than two. I'm gonna go ahead and get all three of them. Guys, I got my green ones back in stock. Go back down to 5 mil extra large nitrile gloves. Here are the wire brushes I use right here. They're $4.99. I like that big one right there. It gets down in the knives really good. But they come in I think it's a 5-pack right here. Yeah, 5-piece stainless steel. We're gonna pick up these polishing wheels right here. They are $3.49. The one I have is pretty worn, so I'm gonna go ahead and pick these up. I'm gonna pick up this rotary saw blade kit. Let's pick up a pack of these too. They are $3.99. Also buying this drop cloth so I can start painting this week in the shop. Buy some trimming brushes. Buying a couple rows of these. We're back over here at Catala. So we're gonna go in here and talk to Miss Helen. I'm gonna get that one piece I know. It's got like a compass and a timepiece on there, made in the early 1900s, made in Providence, Rhode Island. I forgot who made it. But we're fixing to go in here and look at the knives. Whew. Oh, let's see what they got here now. That big chief is still there. Go ahead and get that one. Hey, Miss Helen. How you doing?
I heard the door and then I wasn't sure.
You doing okay?
Oh, yeah, just changing things up.
It's so hot, ain't it?
Oh, it's miserable. It really is miserable.
Yes, ma'am. So it ain't as much hot as it is.
The humid.
Yes,
The
ma'am.
humidity.
It is terrible outside. You just stand still. I'm gonna go ahead and get that one if you want.
Oh, I wanted to
Put that
show
one up
you. I think one of they're small like this. This is what reminded me.
Okay.
I think one of I want to see those. That's for you.
Oh yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
that goes with that.
Okay.
This one, this is the one I know you've seen before.
Oh
I
yeah.
didn't know about that. Hello there.
Yes, got pretty bone. The handles are pretty bone. Sure is.
Of course, that price probably is ridiculous.
Yes, ma'am. It's pretty high, but I need to do some research on it before I tell you if that's fair or not. Well, that
You have a special website that you can go to.
I have some the forums and I have books. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Let's see what this one is right here. So
those two.
how you been?
I've been good.
How's your dog? She doing good?
She's hanging in. Bless
Yes,
her little
ma'am.
heart.
Yes,
Yep.
ma'am.
She is.
How old is she?
17 and a half now.
Wow.
Yep. Her birthday was back in January.
This is an interesting knife here. Little buck.
Okay, that's where I've got something I can say. Yeah.
Fuck USA.
Did you sign on the things for the
Oh,
my
no.
They're both the same. I mean, they're
Check this bad boy out. Here, $5. Huh. I'll buy that for $5. I don't know what this one is. Ain't in bad shape. See if I can't get that one for $5. Put that with my pile. What? There's no price.
Here's your pile.
There's no price on that
Well,
one.
look at it. It needs your. This is a knife dock.
Yes.
So does that mean it's free?
Well, why would you want
See, the
for it?
blades are good, but
Yes, ma'am.
It
How
don't
about
look
$10?
so
Oh, it
much.
doesn't have any.
$10, it's yours.
All right.
Doesn't have any. What do you call it?
Yeah.
Scales.
Is that what those
Oh,
are?
Yes,
I didn't
ma'am.
know they were called that.
Well, the handles they call them, but the proper term is
And this is
scales.
Guns, grips, whatever.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, these things. Doesn't have any of these things.
That's right. This is probably my favorite booth right here. Got some old signs. So cool. The standard motor oil sign, Coca-Cola. I love that Pepsi sign right there. It ain't but $3.50. That's a pretty good price on that. And I love that screen door right there. See that reach for sunbeam bread? Ain't that awesome? Got that Coca-Cola sign. Look at this old dash right here. Wonder what that's to. That's pretty cool. That's an international. It's an international truck probably. Probably 60s. Pretty cool. What's this here? This is Royal Crown Cola. I'll be dog. That would look good up on the wall with knives in it, wouldn't it? You could put knives in this way. Wouldn't that be cool? How much is this? Dang, this thing is heavy. It's $30. Damn, the big saver. You got Pepsi on it, but it's Royal Crown. That's pretty cool. I think I'm gonna get it. Put knives in it, hanging up on the wall in a nice shop. That'd look cool, wouldn't it? Awesome. Okay, guys, that's my little haul. I gave $142.60. She's carrying the crate over there. But I'm telling you guys, I love this place right here. Awesome place. And I'll show you this little timepiece here when I get home. Like it here, Mimi?
I love it.
Okay, guys, here's the knife haul and the antique compass I bought up in Catala at the antique shop. My little favorite one in Georgia. Miss Helen is very sweet. She really is. This is the Wordsworth and Sons. See that right there? It's made in Austria. I can't really make out that city's name, but it is made in Austria. And the date on this thing is 1905 to 1917. The company was only in business for 12 years when it had that tank stamp right there. Wordsworth and Sons. But this knife is 100 years old. It's gonna clean up really good. The tip is sticking up above the handle. We're gonna have to grind some of that down just a little bit to get that tip below the handle. Very cool knife. Blade's in great shape, and it's got a half stop. So you go there, and it's got good snap, and it ain't been cleaned in years probably. That wood is gonna be very pretty when I get done with it. I'm gonna do a light sanding on it, get all that grime off, then coat it with mineral oil. Beautiful. It's gonna be a beautiful knife. It really is. Very cool find. I gave $12 for it. Now this one here is a Camillus camp knife. It's got the short line. I had to get the loop on it. Had to clean it off too with my wire brush before I did the video here because I could not make it out. But it is a Camillus short line right there. So you can see the US over to the right there, but it's New York. But it's in great shape. Now the blade has been whittled down some. I thought this was a very cool find. I think I got it for $10. I think it was. Very, very cool find. And this one here is an Imperial electrician's knife, and all I'm going to do is take the scales off and replace them. The blades on them is pretty good shape. See, that tank stamp was used from 56 to 88. So it's going to have good snap when I get done with it. This one was hard to pull out. The blade's in good shape. I just can't pull it out. I got a split thumbnail right there. And but I can pull it out with pliers. But it's got a lock blade on the screwdriver side. But I felt like this was a good buy. I think it was $5. So yeah, I'll buy that for $5 all day long. All I gotta do is replace these scales, and it's gonna be a beautiful knife. And this right here, guys, is a time compass, what they call it. It was made in the early 1900s. I do have to glue this piece on. Somebody already tried to glue it on, but it's the instructions here. See this time compass? It's a timepiece, but it's made by James C. Doran and Sons, Providence, Rhode Island, USA. And the equation of time in minutes. I mean, this was pretty cool. See, there's the compass, and it works. It's pointing north right now. It's pointing true north right now. But there's your timepiece right there. I don't know how to use it, but that is your timepiece right there. But that's the instructions right here. But I paid $75 for it. It's gonna be and display here in my little museum now slash knife shop. But I'm not going to do anything in here that's going to create dust, so it's going to be cool. But this is the instructions. I've got to re-glue that right there. I figured this was a good buy, y'all, because I've checked them online. They're going a little over $100, 150 some of them. Depends on how good a shape they are, but she let me have it for 75. I thought that was a fair price. But so we got two items over 100 years old. We got this knife and this time compass right here. Very cool. Guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the video today. I just enjoyed going off with my wife. We ate at Cracker Barrel. I want to thank Mark again for that card he sent in for 50 bucks. We ate on that, and my wife even bought our granddaughters 2 dresses at 40% off. I think we ended up paying about $3 over that. So not bad at all. Not bad at all. It was a good day. Then we went on up there. I went by Harbor Freight and then restocked on a bunch of things. Even got me some extra stuff. So we're well stocked for probably a month and a half, especially on the gloves. But we're probably 2 months on the other stuff. So very cool. But I always enjoy going up there and seeing Miss Helen. She called me, let me know she did her homework on this. It was 75 bucks. I told her I'll take it, just hold it for me, and she did. And I told her I couldn't be up there for a couple of weeks. And I went on up there today and got it, and it was a very nice piece to add to my little antique collection that's going to be in here. And this was another nice knife find. It wasn't a great knife find, but it was another nice find also. 100 years old right here, guys. Wardsworth and Sons, made in Austria. Very cool. And it's a well-built knife too. I cannot wait to clean this one up. It's gonna look brand new when I'm done. I'm gonna lightly sand this wood handle and put mineral oil on it. And the bolster's gonna be like new money. The blade's gonna be like new money. It's gonna clean up real good. It really is. Can't wait to do that. So I'm gonna be cleaning up the Colonial I found in Florida tomorrow. So be on the lookout for that video come Tuesday morning. I'll be opening another package too and cleaning up the Colonial. It's that big Colonial. Looks like a Barlow or a big jackknife, whatever you want to call it. It's very old, I know that. So, and I was talking to Rubidoux Creek Outdoors. He's wanting to know how to date a Colonial knife. I don't know. It's almost impossible. I've done some research on that. I can't find anything. The tank stamps all look the same. I'm sure there's ways you can tell by the handle material, the bolsters. If anybody knows how to date a Colonial knife, y'all let me know. But I have no idea. I've never been able to find out. So, so who knows? But I do know that's an old knife. I really do. Just by the way it looks, the way it's shaped. I'm saying the 20s or 30s on that knife. Very great find, and I gave $12 for it. So very good find. Anyway, guys, thank y'all for tuning in today. I want to say God bless y'all. Until we meet again, guys, y'all be like a good knife. Stay sharp.
Sun's just peeking as they hit the road, hunting for the steel that's waiting to be honed, roaming from the city to the countryside, looking for the blades that others left behind.